What's up, it's your boy Damani. Here's what I'm having for lunch or dinner throughout the week. This is what we prepped. It's veggie enchiladas, and I have the lovely Shelly here to go over with you. Join
What? So this is one of our favorites. It's veggie enchiladas. He doesn't like any cheese on his. I like a little sprinkle, just for a little extra flavor. But you really don't need it because it's so flavorful. So inside it's roasted vegetables. It's sweet potato, onion, organic sweet corn, and, did I say sweet potatoes? Black beans.
Yeah.
Black beans. So it's got a bunch of protein. It's really flavorful. I make it a lot because he likes it. I love it. It's easy to warm up. We don't eat it every day, but I'll make it like maybe twice a month.
Yeah.
But we both love it. And it's affordable, and it's delicious and filling. So, veggie enchiladas.
No
if you want the
cheese.
recipe, ask him. I'll give it to you.
No cheese, not a lot of carbs, and it's a good source of a little bit of protein. So this is what we're having throughout the week. Any questions, hit the page up. DFit3, Miss Shelly Ray, TriFit Mke. Peace.